Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change font in Draw.io. This is a super useful feature when you want to customize your diagrams and make them match your brand style or simply improve their visual appeal. Let's dive right into the process. First, head over to draw.com in your web browser. Once the page loads, you'll see a Start button prominently displayed on the home page. Go ahead and click on it. This action will redirect you to a new tab where the Draw.io editor opens up, giving you full access to all the diagram creation and editing tools. You might need to give it a moment to fully load, especially if you're working with larger files or have a slower internet connection. Now, for demonstration purposes, I've already prepared a sample text element in my diagram. You'll see it on the canvas, and this is what we'll be modifying. If you're following along with your own project, make sure you have some text element ready to work with. To change the font, the process is incredibly straightforward. Simply click on the text element you want to modify. This will select it and activate the formatting options. Once selected, direct your attention to the right side of your screen where you'll find the Properties panel. This is where all your text formatting controls live. In this panel, click on the Text option. This expands the text formatting menu, revealing all the options available for customizing your text appearance. Now, you'll notice an option labeled Font. Right underneath it, there's a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal all the available font choices. Draw.io comes with several built-in fonts that you can use right away. You'll see options like Helvetica, Verdana, Times New Roman, and many more standard fonts. These are great for most professional diagrams and documents. Simply scroll through the list and click on any font name to apply it instantly to your selected text element. But here's where it gets even better. If the built-in fonts don't quite meet your needs, Draw.io offers something extra. At the bottom of the font drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled Custom. Click on this and it opens up a whole new world of possibilities. With this feature, you can use Google Fonts and Web Fonts, giving you access to thousands of additional font choices. This is particularly helpful if you're working on branded materials or need a specific typeface to match your company's style guide. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change fonts in Draw.io, whether you're using the standard built-in options or exploring custom fonts for more specialized designs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.